Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofar ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is SST and in SST we are doing civics. So, as you all have seen that yesterday we have started chapter 4 in civics. Topic of the chapter is key elements of a democratic government. So in today's video I will explain you worksheet 4 which is related to chapter 4 only, and in today's worksheet we will discuss over the question answers related to the chapter. So like always, before starting the work you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 18 August 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention chapter 4 in your copies with the heading question answers. So let's see the first question. Question number 1 is, do you think it is important for all persons to be treated equally? Why? So according to you, is it important for everyone to be treated equally? If yes, then why? Now let's see the answer. Yes, we think it is important for all persons to be treated equally because all persons have been born equal. So yes, we also think that everyone should be treated equally because all persons have been born equal, as they have the same blood running in their veins. In their veins the same blood is running. They have same heart, the same bones, the same skin, and their same body system. So they also have, means every person has same heart, same bones, same skin and same body system. So there should not be any kind of difference on the treatment also. So we should treat everyone equally. Question number 2 is, what are the various ways in which people participate in the process of government? So we have to discuss over the various ways in which people participate in the process of government. Let's see the answer. Heading is, people participate in the process of government through the following ways. So let's see the headings. First heading is by taking interest in the working of government. So people can participate in the process of government by taking the interest in the working of government. Second point is by criticizing the government on various unpopular issues. So if the government is taking any wrong decision, so people can criticize the government. Third point is by taking out rallies. So if people are not satisfied with the decision of government which government has taken, so people can take out the rallies. Fourth point is by holding signature campaign. So if people have to protest against the government, against the decision of government, so they can start a signature campaign also. Last point is by opposing various unpopular resolutions, bills and issues in state legislatures and parliament through their representatives. And people can also participate in the process of government by opposing various unpopular resolutions like bills and issues in the state legislatures and parliament through their representatives. Question number 3 is, why do you think we need the government to find solutions to any disputes or conflicts? Conflicts means to fight with each other. So we have to tell that why do we think that we need the government to find solutions of these disputes or conflicts. Let's see the answer. Conflicts appear when people of different cultures, religions, regions or economic backgrounds do not get along with each other, or when they feel that they are being discriminated against. So when conflicts appear when people of different cultures, religions, etc., they do not meet each other often, and some of them feel that they are being discriminated against, means they are not treated equally. People may use violent means to settle their differences, and to settle these differences people may use the violent means. This leads to fear and tension among them. The government is responsible for helping to resolve conflicts in a peaceful manner, and the violent means leads to fear and tension among all the people, and here the government is responsible for helping to resolve these conflicts in a peaceful manner. Question number 4 is, what actions does the government take to ensure that all people are treated equally? So here we have to tell the actions of the government which the government takes to ensure that all people are treated equally. Let's see the answer. The government ensures that the constitutional provisions are implied in the country. It makes laws and enforces them to abolish that all sort of discrimination. That means there should be no kind of discrimination in the country. It makes provisions to provide equal facilities to all classes of people, promotion of education among girls, and economically backward. These are some of the actions that the government takes to ensure equality among people. So, what the government does, the government make provisions to provide equal facilities to all classes of people, like promotion of education among girls and economically backward people also. So, these are the some actions that the government takes to ensure equality among people. Question number 5 is read through the chapter and discuss some of the key ideas of a democratic government. Make a list, for example, all people are equal. So first of all, we have to read the chapter which we have already read, and we have to discuss some of the key ideas of a democratic government. Like an example is given here, all people are equal. It is a key element of a democratic government. Now let's see the answer. Heading is the key ideas of a democratic government are the following. So these are the key ideas of a democratic government. First is right of the people to vote in the elections. So people have the right to vote in the elections. Second is re-election of the government after a fixed period. So a government can be in power only for a fixed period, that is of 5 years, and after that there must be a re-election. Third point is the people carry out campaigns and rallies. So if the people are not satisfied with the decision of the government, so they can carry out campaigns and rallies. Fourth is responsible government. So government should be responsible for all the things. Fifth point is government resolves disputes and conflicts, which we have already discussed, that the government resolves all the disputes and conflicts between the people. And the last point is justice and equality to all, which is the important key element of a democratic government, that there should be justice and equality to all. Question number 6 is what were Hector and his classmates protesting about? So in the chapter we have read Maya's story. In that we have read about Hector Peterson. So here we have to tell that about what Hector and his classmates were protesting. Answer is Hector and his classmates were protesting against the learning of the African language, which was being forced on them by the whites in place of their own language, Zulu. So Hector and his classmates wanted to learn their own language, which was Zulu, and they were forced to learn the language of the whites, that was African language, and they were protesting against this only. Question number 7 is, do you think untouchability supports the idea that people are equal? So we have to tell that untouchability supports the idea that people are equal or not. Answer is untouchability means that a section of people are denied basic human rights. So untouchability cannot be equated with democracy. So what is the meaning of untouchability? Untouchability means that a section of people, that a caste of people, they are denied basic human rights. They cannot have human rights. So untouchability cannot be equated with democracy. These were the question answers related to chapter 4, which I have explained you. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.